Welcome to the Continental Industrial Summit. So, as we all know, loyal customers and long-term customer relationships are the key of successful business. And that's why we want to present here on stage some of Continental's loyal and long-term customers. And as you know, Sweden is a partner country of the Hannover Messe, and I'm very happy now to welcome on stage a Swedish customer of Continental, Jens S. Transmissioner. The title of the talk is The Value of Good Customer Relationships. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together now for the first man. He's product group manager at Belt Drive Sweden at Jens S. Transmissioner. Please welcome Lars Blom. Wow.
Yes. Oh.
Your fans are here already.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's check if he has also some fans here with us. He is product group manager, Belt Drives Denmark at Jens S. Transmissioner. Please welcome Niels Juhl. Also fans here. So Niels, please tell us something about your company and your relationship to Continental.
Thank you much, Mr. Hearn, for your nice welcome. I may add that the Jens S Group is active in all the North countries. We have settlements in Norway, Finland, Sweden, and in Denmark. Our main products are chain systems, couplings, gear systems, conveyor belts, but the most important one is belt drives. Isn't it right, Lars?
Yes, it's right.
As you mentioned, it's very important for Jens S that we have a good high-class supplier who not only can supply super products. Did you start the answering now?
Sorry, one more time?
No problem.
I couldn't hear it. It's
who can not only supply super product but also give a good technical service. Our main customers are OEM on OEM basis, or machine builders as we normally call them. And they need not only a good product, they also need a lot of technical help for calculation, for advising, for helping them to make a smarter machine. So it's very important for Jens S that we have a very strong partnership with our supplier. My relationship with Contitech is very long. I worked many years in the belt business now, first at Rollins in Denmark, who also were acquired by Conti some years back. And then 7 years after, I worked for Contitech in Hanover as an application manager. So I know all the products from Conti. And I must say, even with this background, I am happy that we in the Jens S Group now is a partner with Continental, or Contitech as we like to call you.
great. So Lars, from your perspective, what is important for a good and successful customer relationship?
Mm-hmm. Thank you for that question. As Niels said, Jens S is a technical-driven company, and we also like to solve problems. Doing so, we always look for news on the market and how to give the customer the best solution and optimize their production. So for Jens S, it's very important to offer the customer added value. And working with Continental, it gives us an advantages and therefore also opportunities to get more business, I would say.
Niels, why did you decide to partner with Continental? What makes the product so special? You told us you know everything about it.
I think we can more or less say that Conti decided to be a partner with Jens S on belt drive. Jens S used to be a very successful partner for Goodyear. So Conti bought Goodyear to get closer to Jenses, I believe. Sorry, I'm joking. Jenses Denmark have for many years been selling Conti's timing belts, the real HDD belt. So we had long experience with Conti, and now we can say, after the acquisition of Goodyear, we have all the exceptional products that Conti have had in their product line and Goodyear had in the product line. We have them now in one strong belt, a brand, Continental, who all people know as being quality and a good product. And I must say, it's really the strong force of Conti that you have such a wide range of products. From the highest new tech belts as Synco Force Carbon to price competitive belts as your power span line. We need that in our business altogether.
One other important topic is the understanding of business. So please tell me, how does the understanding of business, Continental's one, fit to your understanding?
I think we have the same goals. Jenses also want to be an attractive partner for our core customers, especially for the most innovative customers, the machine builders, companies as Danfoss, Grundfos, Vestas, Siemens, Tetra Pak. We have a lot of customers that we supply with product, but also with calculation, with technical help. So we need not only top-class belts, we also need help from our partner, from Conti, in the market. So we are happy that you have skilled technical people that we can take with us in customer visit. It really is a strong way to fight to get a good share by the customer.
Lars, are there any success stories, and I hope there are some,
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Yes.
you have achieved with Continental?
Absolutely. I have one success story that I would like to share. And this here is it's a mobile crush application. And it's in Sweden. And as you all know, Sweden is not so well known for good weather. That means actually it's a lot of rain. We have also snow, and the temperature is very often below zero. I would say down to 20 degrees also. So it's very tough environmental, I have to say. So the problem was in this case actually that they had belt slippage on this crusher. So the machine couldn't reach its full capacity. And this was a big problem for the customer, of course. So what did then Jenses do? Well, we changed the belt, of course, to Pioneer belt instead. And in this case, it was the XPC 4000 and generation 2 also. And all the slippage just disappeared. So it was working perfectly. So the customer was happy, but he was also very happy because he could actually produce much more stone. And actually it was 300 ton more stone every day, just by changing the belt to a Pioneer second generation. That was a very good story for us.
So we love to hear success stories. You have another one for us?
Well, I do not have any concrete stories. I asked some customers, but none were very interested in have the new smart machine presented at this stand. But anyhow, in general, we have many success stories. Regarding the wide product program Conti can offer us, often we can upgrade an old machine and make it with more power with putting in a new belt. The pulleys are the same. For the customer, it means less space compared to other products, And best of all, it's only one new part number, the belt, the pulleys, everything else will be the same as they already have in their technical manuals. And with the big range of timing belts with high capacity, with oil resistant, with high temperature resistant, we can often design a clean and nice machine where the old solution would be a noisy, oily chain. So this way we have a lot of success stories. We win projects.
Yeah, but Lars, maybe you can tell us the reason why, the reason of the success. What do you think? What was
the reason for success? The question
the
question we all want to have the answer to, of course. So I would say actually it's three things. And it's market, trust, and also performance. So what do I mean by that? Actually, I mean that Jens S, we know the market, and when we get the product to us, in this case, actually, it was the Pioneer belt, we address the market with that product. And also we have trust, the customer trust, that we actually have the best solution for them. And then we have the performance also. And this is quite important because the performance of the belt in this case was better than the expectations from the customer. So that actually means that this here was a success story by itself.
You want to add some reason whys for success?
Good products, good partnership, everything you can offer. Products, technical help, service, and a good brand, of course. Continental is a known name.
Okay. So, yes, regarding the Scandinavian region, I've never been to Sweden before, so I have to visit you there.
You're welcome to Sweden anytime.
Yeah. So, but first of all, tell us, why is this region, and especially Sweden, so important and such an important market for Continental?
Okay. I would say like this here, many companies within the Nordic region, they are well known for leading their businesses, or they're leading in their fields, you could say. We have, in Sweden, we have our Nordic countries, we have mining, we have the wood industry, agriculture, we have packaging, and we also have construction. And in all these areas, belts are very often used and in different type of executions. And I think that's why Continental have to be in that market, to get those type of customers. And if we look especially into the Swedish market, the Swedish market it's a big MRO market. And these customers is end users, you could say. And these customers also look for maintenance-free products. And how do we reach those customers? Yes, we do so by using Jens S distributor net within Sweden. So we can also reach them actually, and I think that's also why it's especially important for Continental to be in the Swedish market.
Okay, so Continental is happy, you guys are happy?
Yes.
Yes? Or you want to add something about...
No, I want to add...
In general, we would like quicker service, lower prices.
Okay, but that's not my job, unfortunately.
That's okay.
So I would give you whatever you want, but it's not up to me. So that's it?
That's it. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, are the fans still there? Yes, they are. So please put your hands together for both of them. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here on stage with us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.